Wait for it. Boiling temperature. I used 180-watt solar panel, 30 pieces of 2810 diodes, and a string in my prototype where I can choose to use 19 to 30 diodes. In test number 6, I kept the amps around 6 amps to avoid overheating the diodes. In test number 5, 3 diodes failed when the diodes reached 213 degrees Celsius, 415 degrees Fahrenheit. In this test, I preheated the sand to 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit using 21 diodes at 6 amps. It takes about 10 minutes to preheat. .5 deciliter, 1 cup of tap water at 12 degrees Celsius, 53 degrees Fahrenheit. This time I'm trying to stick to around 6 amps. I'm starting the test with 24 diodes. Still images at 1-minute intervals. Well, this isn't boiling. It looks more like it's simmering. Summary: according to the thermometer in the lid, we reached above the boiling temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, but the water did not boil. The IR thermometer gave a completely different result of 85.2 degrees Celsius, 185.4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is also consistent with the water simmering. Before test number 7, I have to check the thermometer in the lid, but all the diodes passed this test, so 6 amps seems to work fine. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe to get noticed on the next video.